News that's coming in from the state of Karnataka now. Former JDS MP Prajwal Revanna has now been convicted for rape. Former JDS MP who has been convicted by a Bengaluru court. Now this is a rape case that was filed against him by one of the domestic workers at the family's farmhouse in Hassan. The quantum of the sentence is likely to be announced today. This in fact is the first of the 4 rape cases and sexual harassment cases that have been filed against Prajwal Revanna, and this is the case that has completed trial. Prajwal is the grandson of former Prime Minister of our country, H.D. Deve Gowda, and has been accused of raping, filming obscene videos of the victim, as well as using criminal intimidation to destruct evidence against him. One of the most clinching evidences which has been submitted and accepted in the court was the victim's sari, which she had preserved. Forensic analysis confirmed the presence of Prajwal's DNA on the sari, which established that there was indeed rape. The opposition is also up in arms over the issue, accusing JDS and the ally BJP of not speaking a word against Prajwal, as well as using opposition leaders like D.K. Shiv Kumar to distract from their crimes.
Well, the conviction proves all the allegations made by the victims from Hassan, and I think it is time that the JDS leaders and the BJP leaders come out and answer the questions that the people have been asking for long. While you endorse his parliamentary candidature, this kind of heinous crime should not go unpunished, however powerful you are.
देखिए, जो स्पेशल कोर्ट प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को कन्विक्टेड घोषित किया है, जजमेंट दिया है, हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं। प्रज्वल रेवन्ना उनके जो जेडीएस पार्टी है, जेडीएस पार्टी अभी किसके साथ है? अभी बीजेपी के साथ है। उनके ऊपर अभी भी बहुत सारे केसेस हैं, अभी बाकी है, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है। ये तो एक जजमेंट आया है। अगर हासन में जाकर लोगों को पूछे तो इनका अभी भी कर्मकांड, इनका रेप केसेस, अत्याचार केसेस इतना भयानक है, इतना भयानक है। इनका जितने भी और सारे केसेस है उसमें भी इनको कन्विक्ट होना और इनके बारे में जजमेंट आना जरूरी है।
Prajwal Revanna, once a very powerful political heir, is now facing the weight of justice. Convicted in one of the many disturbing rape cases, graphic videos and multiple FIRs, there is also damning evidence of blackmail and abuse. In fact, even his own family members disowned him. He tried to escape to Germany, but that attempt failed, and now the law is catching up. He is the predator who thought that he was untouchable. Watch this report.
A sexual predator now finally being punished for his perverted crimes. Prajwal Revanna has finally been convicted. But mind you, this is just in one rape case. There are several others pending even now. But let's take you back to April 2024, when Karnataka was rocked by a volley of charges of rape, sexual abuse and more. Photos and videos began circulating of Prajwal, explicit ones showing Prajwal sexually assaulting multiple women in Karnataka's Hassan. These clips were allegedly filmed by Revanna himself and circulated widely via USB drives. As soon as the videos emerged, Prajwal fled, headed to Germany amid a growing chorus for his arrest. Multiple FIRs were filed, accusing him of rape, threats, confinement, recording the assaults and using these recordings to intimidate and blackmail them. Prajwal's family, the first family of JDS, came under massive pressure, claiming they did not know his whereabouts. Damage control attempts were made. Prajwal's uncle, H.D. Kumaraswamy, made it clear family would not protect him. His grandfather too called out Prajwal.
Request the central government to conduct a fair inquiry. Disrespected any woman in this state, we are for the inquiry, not only inquiry. If that inquiry is proof is there, anything goes wrong against the women, we are the first person to demand the proper decision has to be taken by the government.
And then emerged Prajwal with a detailed video statement, where, believe it or not, he played the victim card, claiming he was depressed.
ನಾನು ಫಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
Visuals of Prajwal Revanna, Madhav. There's there. He's been
Finally, on May 31st, Prajwal Revanna returned to Bengaluru and was immediately arrested.
The most wanted man in the country at the moment, Prajwal Revanna's convoy has arrived at the CID office in Bengaluru. That's the convoy, one convoy after the other that has just started to come inside the CID office. As you can see, the two women police officers heading the CID team, Suman and Seema Ladkar. Well, that's that's Prajwal Revanna over there. He was escorted by the top cops of the Karnataka.
But the taint spread. Prajwal's father, H.D. Revanna, was arrested over kidnapping allegations in an attempt to shield his son. He also tried repeatedly to call the serious allegations of rape as politically motivated. This monster will finally pay the price for the countless women he targeted, thinking he would get away with it simply because of his political power. Bureau Report, India Today.